Just a quick little video here, page 381, this question here, this question 3 would say, okay? So they want a plan in the direction of arrow B, elevation A, in view C, and then they want the true shape using the abutment method there of R. Okay? So we're going to start with our plan elevation in view anyway of this object. So my arrow C is pointing to the right, so the in view is going to be on the right of the elevation. So the overall length of it here is 85. Comes up here 55. And draw a straight line across here. It steps up 15. And it goes 30 degrees there then to reach that 55 line. And there's a bit of a square here then as well. It just goes up another 20. And that just goes straight across till it hits our 30-degree line. So that's our elevation there. This is not darkened in there. That's all one surface. So that's our elevation there. Huh? Give me a small bit there. So our plan, so bring down our lines. The width of it is 50. So that's our plan. And our in view then over until they hit our x1, y1, and we're going up at our 45 degrees then. That's our end view there, okay? So the next thing we need to know is we need to locate that surface R in our views, okay? So this edge here is R in our elevation. This bit here is R in the plan, and this little section here R in the end, okay? So we need to see where that surface R is in edge view or a line, okay? That's it here in my elevation. So we're going to have to rotate that around, bring it down, and we can draw it out here then to the front bit, okay? So I'm going to do my level line, my line parallel with my XY line here. I'm going to get my compass, put it at the start of R, extend it to the very end of R, rotate that around till I hit the level line. I'm going to draw a few arrows there on my line. So that went out straight from the corner of R, parallel with the XY line, which is just horizontal line. That got swung around. Bring this now down to the bottom. It's this front corner here basically we're after hinging out. So we bring this point out to here. We can extend this point down. Yeah. Now we need to rotate this bit here for the square, so that little square is taken out of it. So point to the compass here again, extend it to the start of the square, rotate it till it hits that line. We can bring that straight down, and we bring it across this height here of this square. So we're just darkening that in there. That's our little square there taken out. So basically we put a hinge on this and we flipped it over till it's flat, and that there now that's the true shape of surface R. All that shaded area. So that's that question there then completed.